Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, it's me Javid Mansur. I completed my degree in computing along with a few other diplomas here in the UK a while ago. And over the years, I have worked in different places. Now I am back here to refresh and rebuild my computer skills. And I would love for you to join me on this journey. I will be your course instructor and we will learn together step by step in a very simple and friendly way. Because honestly, learning never stops, and it's always better when we learn step by step in a way that anyone can understand and follow. So, welcome to Javid Academy. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel because we will be building skills together, one lesson at a time from beginners to advanced. Thank you very much.